pupunta ako ngayon sa chat time kasi i-check ko kung meron pa silang Demon Slayer collab drink ngayon. I'll try my luck lang. Sana meron. Oh my God! Time check, mag 1:30 na. Pero 2 PM yung papanoorin ko. Oh my God! Bakit sold out din dito? Okay. So, iba na lang. Hindi na tayo bibili ng milk tea ngayon. Guys, so this is my snack for the movie. Walang chat time kasi hindi available yung Demon Slayer drink. So later I will go to Boted Zoo. Pero ngayon, magsisini muna ako. Okay, alright. Let's buy ticket for CSM. Chainsaw Man, yung pang 2 PM ko. So guys, I just got my ticket and my schedule is 2 PM. So this is my outfit guys. This is my top. Later, makita ko yung whole body ko. So maya ako papasok kasi medyo enjoy muna natin yung lights. Wow. Guys, I'm about to enter na. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
One eternity later.
Watching Chainsaw Man. So, it's time to eat na. Going to Boted Zoo. Guys, so first time ko kumain dito is under achievement dahil makapag-try ulit tayo ng bagong kainan. Talagang bukulat yun. Bukulat yun. So, hi guys. So, I'm still waiting for my order guys. Mga ilang minutes pa daw bago ma-prepare. Hi! Pero yun, I like the movie ha. Grabe yung animation talaga pag mapa. Wow! Ganda yung lighting nila dito. Woo! Ito yung interior nila dito guys. Ako yan. Uy! Isa lang ako ha. Wala akong kasama guys. Ito yung assuming. Sarap. Tapos yun guys, meron pa silang ibang seats doon. From here, medyo kita yung lagay ng sky. Hindi maganda yung weather ngayon kasi may bagyo din. Pero may mga tao pa naman ang konti sa SM. Yan, naserve na yung isang order guys. Here's my takoyaki guys. May gumagalaw-galaw. Buhay yarn. Sarap. Of course, mandatory picturean yung food bago kainin or videohan. dolls with me. So, I'll introduce my dolls. So, ito guys, doll to ni Gio. It's called Gio Cat. Kita nyo ba yung resemblance? And then, this one, this white, is Hangyon's doll. Si Haking Kang. Ayan. Cute, no? Very detailed yung eyelid niya. And ito naman, yung may pinakamahabang tenga. This is Xiaojun's doll. Si Dejuni. And this is Yang Yang's doll, Yunang. So, yan. So, sila talaga yung kadate ko ngayon, guys. Hindi naman ako nag-iisa. Yan, tigi-tigisa na silang takoyaki dyan. I also brought photo cards, guys. Of course, hindi yan mawawala sa mga date. Tapos na ang food, guys. Ay, grabe, oh. Said na said, ah. Guys, look at my Naruto wallet. Cute. Feeling Hokage today. Oh, ayun lang yung laman. Yan ang tira natin na pera kaka-self-love. Eme lang. Cute, no?
A few moments later.
Dito pa rin pala si Felix. Sakto lang yung mga tao ngayon kasi alam nilang maulan. May ganap dito sa activity center. Nakakanta. So alam ko guys, may CPTL na dito sa SM. Kaya pupuntahan natin. Mag-try ulit tayo for the first time. I haven't tried CPTL pa before. So, yan. Puntahan natin. Ayan. Nasa baba pala siya. Yay! Ice blend with pure double chocolate or regular lang.
May whipped cream po?
Yes po. Christmas feels.